Hello there. Thank you for choosing the WooCommerce Product Designer plugin. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add custom fonts to your designer options. What you're going to do is navigate over here to the WPD icon on your dashboard and click on Cliparts. Awesome. Over here, there is the option to create different Cliparts group. As you can see already, there are two different clipart groups that are already existing. Let me show you what this means in real time if they are acknowledged in your designer. As you can see here, that two options are available. Thanksgiving, here's the Thanksgiving group, and here's also the e-commerce group. Those are the available clipart group. In your case, you may want to create a new clipart group, but I just thought to walk you through the process so you understand the effects that different clipart group could possibly have on your customer's configuration. That being said, we'll just go right into it to edit the Thanksgiving cliparts. There you have it. You could add new cliparts here. You can click set and choose from the cliparts that you have already saved on your media category here in your WooCommerce. Perfect. You could set that up and possibly also add an additional price for specific cliparts. After that, all you have to do is hit publish or update over here and you're totally good. That allows your customers, while editing the product, they can select the cliparts and choose the several types that they want. They can resize that as well and put them wherever it is they want on your customizable product. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.